Did you know that most high-end luxury cars sold in the last 25 years have an air filter for the air conditioning? And you do need to service that by changing the air filters, just like you would change the filters in your house or your apartment. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing you want to do is pick up 2 filters of the appropriate size for your car. And for this 2000 Acura 3.2 TL, I got these from the Honda dealer. I'm sure they charge too much. You can get them off the internet. Different companies make them. I'm just sticking with the original Honda 80291 S84-A01. And I'll show you how to take them out now. Okay, so this is a 1 screwdriver job, number 2 Phillips. Open that up. Now what you're going to do is press these in on each side. Just put the camera down while I use 2 hands. Okay, so press that in, and then lifting up a little, just pull that through. Same with the other side. Lift up the glove box a little bit, pull it through, drop it down. Now this comes down. The filter is in here, so we're going to disconnect a couple of things. This plunger needs to be unscrewed. Screw off of there, throw that in there, and then you just pull that plunger off and just leave that there. Now we've got to undo 2 more screws, this one here and over here, this one here, and then the whole glove box comes off. So we got the 2 screws off, and put all the parts in here. Okay, and I'll throw this in the other seat to get out of the way. When your car comes new from the factory, there's a piece of plastic here, and they just trim it off, throw it away, so that you can change the filters. It's one way you can tell if they've ever been changed. Now underneath here, just grab the bottom of here and release that up and pull it off. Set that aside in the glove box. And you notice the direction of airflow is that way. So just grab these together or separately and pull them out. One-handed work. Probably should have pulled the top one out first. There we go. Okay. Now you notice the coils are on the left side. That's why the direction of flow, you want to clean the air before they go through the coils. The other side just has piping and wiring. So we will get our new filters, and these plastic outer parts you save, and you just push the filter out. You see how I'm just pushing it out because you're going to reuse the outer plastic. See that? Okay, there we go. So we'll clean that off, and I'm going to get some canned air or a vacuum cleaner. That's optional. Yours might be clean. I just want to make sure this is really clean because I haven't changed it in a while. I'm going to shoot some air in there. You might need to vacuum. Like I say, it's optional if you've been keeping it clean. Look at the difference. New filters, old filters. Gross. Of course, that's the dirty side. The part facing the coils is a little bit cleaner, but gross, gross, gross. Lots of leaves. the new filters in the plastic, and the filters don't have a direction, so they go either way. It's just that the plastic itself has a direction because of how it sits in there, and it has these to prevent it from sucking the paper into the thing. But the paper itself, no direction to it. So let's get these ready to go in. Stack these up. Okay, so I got them stacked up. Just push them in. And then grab our cover. Okay, hook it on at the top and then snap it on. Okay. And now get our glove box ready with our 2 screws. And hold that up there and screw it in, which I'm not going to be able to do one-handed, so I'm going to put the camera down. Turn these screws all the way in. Okay, we got our 2 screws in. Now we take our plunger, kind of close the box a little bit, put our plunger down, hook it on there. Okay, this is not dust. This is the fuzzy stuff like you see on the inside of the box. It's not dust. So, hold this up, pull the plunger out, stick it over the hole there, and get our screw, the one with the washer. I've got to get myself a little tiny tripod to use for filming in tight spots. And now we take our little rubber bumpers, put those in there, hold the box up here, and push them into place. Okay, put that through, line it up. There we go. There we go. I don't like the way that one lined up. Line that one up better. Okay. That's ready. Let's put on the air. There we go. Nice clean air to breathe. And that's job done.